Number 1. The 1977 Ford Mustang Cobra II, priced at $8,000, located in Brockton, Massachusetts. Number 1. 1977 Ford Mustang Cobra II, priced at $8,000, located in Brockton, Massachusetts. This classic 1977 Ford Mustang Cobra II is a true throwback to muscle car era, boasting a bold design and vintage appeal. Priced at $8,000, this vehicle is a great opportunity for collectors or enthusiasts looking to own a piece of American automotive history. The car runs great, with a strong engine and solid mechanical condition that makes it road ready. However, it does need some interior work to bring it back to its full former glory. Whether you're interested in a restoration project or simply want a head-turning weekend cruiser, this Cobra II has plenty of potential. Located in Brockton, Massachusetts. Number 2. 1980 Buick Century Limited Sedan 4D, priced at $9,000, located in Bristol, Connecticut. This beautifully preserved 1980 Buick Century Limited Sedan 4D is a rare find with only 38,000 original miles. It's in great shape both mechanically and cosmetically, and it runs like new, smooth, reliable, and full of classic charm. This is a well-maintained, garage-kept vehicle that's ideal for collectors or anyone looking to own a clean, vintage sedan with low mileage. The price is set at $9,000 and is negotiable for serious buyers. Viewings are available by appointment only to ensure a focused and respectful sale process. For any questions or to schedule a time to see the car, please call or text my cell at 860-313-9236. Number 3. The 1984 Buick Rivera, priced at $6,500, located in Mayville, New York. This car features a glossy black exterior complemented by elegant chrome accents and a tan interior, exuding both luxury and comfort. It is in excellent condition, with nearly new tires, new spark plugs, and a recently replaced radiator, ensuring optimal road performance. The updated catalytic converter ensures the car easily passes emissions tests, offering peace of mind for the new owner. The exterior showcases timeless 1980 styling, while the interior retains its original features, including plush seats and wood paneling on the dashboard, adding a premium touch. With an odometer displaying the original mileage, this car is not only ready to drive, but also serves as a valuable collector's item for classic car enthusiasts who appreciate its historical and aesthetic value. Number 4. 1982 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, priced at $7,800, located in Glen Gardner, New Jersey. This 1982 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 is a classic American muscle car with an aggressive stance and vintage styling. It features a striking black paint job accented by a two-tone gray and silver stripe trim that perfectly complements its bold look. The interior is finished in gray cloth, maintaining the era-correct aesthetic while offering comfort and style. Under the hood, it's powered by a 305 cubic inch V8 engine with crossfire injection CFI, paired with a TH350 automatic transmission. This setup delivers a smooth yet powerful driving experience. The car is also equipped with desirable factory features, including T-tops for that open-air feel, power steering, power windows, power rear hatch release, and power disc brakes for added safety and convenience. Priced at $7,800, this Z28 is a solid example of early 80s muscle, perfect for weekend cruising, local car shows, or as a foundation for a full restoration. Located in Glen Gardner, New Jersey. Number 5. 1956 Oldsmobile Holiday 98, priced at $6,200, located in Carmichaels, Pennsylvania. This 1956 Oldsmobile Holiday 98 is a true classic from the golden age of American automobiles, offering timeless styling and vintage appeal. It comes equipped with the legendary Oldsmobile rocket engine, although the engine is currently locked up and will require mechanical attention or a full rebuild. Despite the engine issue, the car has a solid body overall, with the exception of damage to the right rear quarter panel caused by a blown tire. Fender skirts are included with the sale, adding to the car's original charm and value. The interior is in very nice condition, showcasing classic 50s luxury and detail. This is an excellent candidate for restoration or customization, ideal for collectors looking to bring a piece of automotive history back to life. Priced at $6,200 and located in Carmichael's, Pennsylvania. Number 6. 1968 Ford GT Coupe 2D. Priced at $5,500. Located in Herndon, Virginia. This 1968 Ford Galaxy 500 Fastback, often mistaken for a GT, comes with powerful 302 V8 engine paired with an FMX automatic transmission and an 8 3/4 rear differential. Although the original factory air conditioning system is missing, this classic muscle car retains much of its authentic charm and character. The car starts and runs, but it needs some work to be fully road ready. Specifically, it requires a new brake master cylinder, fresh paint, and repair some leaks, including a rear main seal, recently replaced with still leaking, and a power steering pump leak. The good news is that a new power steering pump and rear shocks are already included inside the car, waiting to be installed. Several trim pieces are intact and stored inside the vehicle, helping maintain its original look. Additionally, many parts have recently been replaced or upgraded, such as a new battery, new brakes all around, new brake lines, and new transmission lines, some of which have already been installed. This Ford Galaxy 500 is almost ready to hit the street, but will need a few finishing touches. With only 38,000 miles on the odometer and a clean title, it represents an exciting project for a car enthusiast or collector. Please note, this car is sold as is, with no warranties or guarantees. You should plan to tow the vehicle home, as it may not be safe or legal to drive it on the road yet. If you have an interesting trade, offer plus cash. The seller might consider it. For more information or to express interest, please reach out directly. Number 7. 1990 Buick LeSabre Custom, priced at $4,000, located in Richmond, Virginia. This 1990 Buick LeSabre Custom is a reliable and comfortable daily driver, currently in use but ready for a new owner. Priced at $4,000, this vehicle offers smooth performance with no major mechanical problems. The car runs and shifts smoothly, with all features fully functional, including power windows, door locks, and other electronics. The only minor issue is a check engine light caused by a faulty EGR sensor, an easy and inexpensive fix that does not affect the car's performance or drivability. Perfect for someone seeking a dependable, classic sedan for daily commuting or casual driving, this Buick LeSabre combines classic style with practical functionality. Located in Richmond, Virginia. Number 8. 1969 GMC 2500 HD regular cab long bed. Priced at $3,500. Located in Tolland, Connecticut. This 1969 GMC 2500 HD regular cab long bed is a solid project truck perfect for someone looking to build or customize a classic workhorse. It has been LS swapped and currently runs on a factory remanufactured engine paired with a new clutch and flywheel. The drivetrain is connected to the original 4-speed manual transmission with a floor shifter and manual clutch linkage, preserving its classic driving feel. While the truck is running, it still needs some finishing work to be fully operational and roadworthy. The body is rough and will require attention to cab corners and rocker panels, making it an ideal candidate for either restoration or stylish rat rod build. Please note, this truck is being sold with bill of sale only, so it may not come with a clear title. It represents an excellent opportunity for a hands-on buyer ready to take on a rewarding project. Located in Tolland, Connecticut. Number 9. 1963 Cadillac Fleetwood Sedan 4D. Priced at $6,500. Located in Clifton, New Jersey. Up for sale is a classic 1963 Cadillac Fleetwood Sedan 4-door, featuring the powerful 390 cubic inch V8 motor. This elegant luxury car comes with all its original body and interior parts intact, preserving its authentic vintage character. While the car runs, it currently runs rough and may require mechanical attention to restore smooth performance. This presents a great opportunity for a Cadillac enthusiast or restorer to bring this classic beauty back to its full potential. The asking price is $6,500 or best offer. Serious inquiries only. Please call for more information or to arrange a viewing. Located in Clifton, New Jersey. Number 10, 1961 Ford Falcon. Price at $5,000. Located in Charlottesville, Virginia. This 1961 Ford Falcon is a classic compact car that runs and drives reliably, making a great choice for vintage car enthusiasts or anyone looking for a dependable daily driver with nostalgic appeal. It is powered by the original 170 cubic inch six-cylinder engine, known for its simplicity and durability. Recently, the car has been upgraded with a new gas tank, new brakes, and new carpet, ensuring a safer and more comfortable driving experience. This Falcon is truly turnkey ready, meaning you can drive away right after purchase without any immediate repairs or concerns. The seller is also open to trading this classic Falcon for a good truck, offering flexibility for interested buyers who might have something to trade. Priced at $5,000. This car is located in Charlottesville, Virginia. Number 11, 1965 Dodge Monaco. Priced at $8,000. Located in Trenton, New Jersey. Testing the waters with this rare 1965 Dodge Monaco for sale. Originally finished in sleek black with a matching black vinyl top. This car currently sports a flat black paint job, and the vinyl top has been removed. The vehicle sat in use for a few years before I acquired it, but it now runs, drives, and stops well, making it a solid cruiser for local drives. Under the hood, it's powered by a 383 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a robust 727 automatic transmission. It features some quality upgrades, including an Edelbrock carburetor, aluminum intake manifold, and electronic ignition for improved performance and reliability. The front brakes have been converted to discs, enhancing stopping power and safety. The transmission cooler lines were recently replaced, and the original radiator has been professionally recored to ensure proper cooling. Inside, the Monaco boasts a super cool interior featuring bucket seats and a full-length center console, adding a sporty and comfortable feel to this classic Mopar. While the car is far from perfect and definitely needs some work to reach its full potential, it's a rare model. Only around 13,000 were made in 1965, and even fewer remain today. Included with the sale are the original rocker moldings. I'm not in a rush to sell, and mainly just testing interest. I'm open to trades, especially for other old cars or trucks. Mopar's preferred, but I'm interested in anything cool and unique. Number 12, 1965 Plymouth Barracuda. Priced at $13,500. Located in Buxton, Maine. Up for sale is a classic 1965 Plymouth Barracuda powered by a 273 cubic inch V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. This Barracuda features an excellent interior that has been well preserved, offering both comfort and style true to its era. Originally from California, this vehicle carries the benefit of a dry climate history, helping preserve its condition. The car is fully registered and street legal, so you can drive it home without any hassle. This makes it an ideal option for collectors or enthusiasts looking for a ready-to-drive classic muscle car. For more details or to arrange a viewing, please call the provided contact number. Please note, the Nova mentioned nearby is not for sale. Number 13, 1960 Chevrolet Impala. Priced at $3,000. Located in Cumberland, Maryland. This 1960 Chevrolet Impala runs, drives, and stops reliably, making a fun beater project car or solid base for restoration. It's powered by a mid-1970s 250 cubic inch inline six-cylinder engine paired with a 200R4 overdrive automatic transmission, giving a unique blend of classic style and more modern drivability. The exterior body is surprisingly decent for a 1960 model, though the rockers and lower quarter panels will require some attention. The floors are in rough shape and have been temporarily patched with tin screwed down, but the trunk pan remains in better condition and could be repaired relatively easily. The interior is actually quite decent, featuring a nice dashboard in good shape, making the cabin more inviting than expected. The frame is solid with no rot, which is a major plus for anyone considering a restoration project. This car comes with a clean title in the seller's name. However, the VIN tag has fallen off, which may affect the registration process for some buyers. VIN tags can be purchased online and stamped with the correct VIN for those who want to make this car road legal again. The sale includes plenty of extra trim pieces to help with restoration. The seller is firm on price and is not entertaining lowball offers, as they are not in a rush to sell. Number 14, 1973 Mercury Cougar XR7 convertible, priced at $8,500, located in Mechanicsville, Maryland. For sale is my 1973 Mercury Cougar XR7 convertible, a classic American muscle car that I proudly owned for about 4 years. It has been driven locally, providing plenty of fun and memorable drives. As I'm moving out of state at the end of the summer, I'm looking to thin the herd and let this beauty find a new home. Under the hood, it's powered by a 351 cubic inch Cleveland 2-barrel V8 engine paired with a 4-barrel FMX automatic transmission. The car looks great from a distance and takes amazing pictures, perfect for cruising and casual shows. It drives decently, but is definitely a driver-class car rather than a showpiece. The paint job is over 20 years old and shows some waves and minor repair spots, but nothing glaring or distracting. This Cougar has been driven consistently for the last 50 years, and if you're looking for perfection or want to ask a million questions over several weeks, this one probably isn't for you. The best way to appreciate it is to come see it in person, bring cash, and be ready to talk. Showing up counts for a lot. Pretty much everything works as it should. The convertible top is in great shape. The interior is fair with no major splits yet, though it may need some attention in a season or two. The tachometer, low fuel light, door jar light, and other dash functions work. The AC system's functionality is unknown, but all components appear to be there. This is a genuine convertible, and while AC wasn't priority for me, it could be restored if desired. Number 15, 1988 Chrysler Town & Country Wagon. Priced at $1,200, located in Dover, Pennsylvania. For sale is a 1988 Chrysler Town & Country Wagon, equipped with a 2.2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. This model was a wagon version of the Chrysler LeBaron, and notably marks the final year for the K-Car wagons. Starting in the 1990 model year, the Town & Country transitioned to become Chrysler's first minivan, making this 1988 wagon a classic end of an era. The vehicle runs and drives as expected, with no major mechanical issues. However, it will require some attention and care to address a few cosmetic and maintenance needs. The hood and roof paint are dull, as the clear coat has peeled over time. The interior remains surprisingly nice given the vehicle's age, providing a comfortable cabin. There are some exterior imperfections. The windshield is cracked, and the distinctive waterfall grille is partially broken. Rust is present in several areas, including an unsightly patch job done by a previous owner. The brakes feel soft due to sitting idle for some time, and the tires show signs of dry rot, but still hold air reasonably well. The car will also need a new battery. This Town & Country wagon is being sold due to downsizing and would make a great restoration project for someone who enjoys classic cars and challenging restorations. It's priced affordably at $1,200 and located in Dover, Pennsylvania.